Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again in another video. So we came back to analyze for you the Bitcoin again, guys. So what you see in here, what did I told you exactly me yesterday? What did I told you? I told you, look at the market, what it's doing. It fell down like that, sideways like that. He fell down like that, sideways like that, and now he fell down with a big candle. Is going to make sideways like that. That's what I told you yesterday, and the same thing. By the way, for the people that took our technical analysis course, we told them what that meant. We told them all those things. So look at it, very close now. Yes, here, that's supply and demand zone here. Between 19k till 17k, it's still holding. Look at it. And that candle here, it's showing a rejection. Let me show it to you. As you see it, that candle here, that one, it's showing here a rejection. It tried to give us here a pin bar, but that pin bar not stronger. Let me show you something here else. Look here at the volume of that pin bar. There is no big volume like the previous red ones. Like how it happened here. So there is not a big volume to pushing up. I think everything is too clear to here now. So also we're still in a downtrend, guys. And here, well, I showed it to you before. The market give you here like a small channel like that. And here in the big picture, what you got here. Here in the big picture, you got here, that one, like a triangle like that, as you see it. So now you need either to break for you lower here. If it's break for us lower, also we're going to 10k, guys. Remember my word. By the way, also we show you all those things before. We go into 12k. If we don't hold in 12k, we go into 10k. If we don't hold in 10k, we go into 6k. So till now there is no price action, no pattern. It's indicating that there is a reverse coming. So there is more falling down. So make a close eye at those things. By the way, if you are not subscriber to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, a channel we put in every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free. And if you being someone subscriber with us, smash the like button, help us to growing up more that channel. You done it, my friend? Let's continue it. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here our indicator and that one, what did I told you? Let me zoom it like that. What did I told you yesterday? I told you he break for us the trend line here. Let's say today, if it's going to come back inside, if it go back inside, the trend line is still valid. If it's not, he's going to come back to touch it here. Then after that, he's going to fall down. So it's going to give you a lower low, like here low, and it's going to give you another low here, like how it's been happening here before, as you remember. It give us here a low, another low. So that means also we are in a downtrend. So make a close eye at those things. And here, look at it. He give you a down channel like that, as you see it. So I think now it's going to go to touch the lower of that channel here. Then after that, it's going to go upward again, to touch up. Then after that, it's going to fall down till the oversold area. Make a close eye at those things. By the way, when it's going to be at the oversold area, it's very easy. If you are subscribed and turn the bell notification, you're going to be notified. If you want to be notify more quicker, you can join our Telegram channel. Is it in the first comment with our highly recommended course. By the way, that course is going to teach you everything about technical analysis, and if you're using the link down, you're going to get a 85% discount. The course, it costs $200. If you're using the link down, it's going to cost you only $13. So I think it's a very good deal. It's the price of a cup of coffee. The course is more than 8 hours. It's going to teach you everything about technical analysis. So when you finish, you're going to be a pro technical analysis, and you're going to get a certificate telling that you are a pro technical analysis if you finish it all the course. It's a very good deal for you guys. But if you want, I think everything is too clear here. Let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the pictures to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, what we had told you before, we zoom it like that. What did I told you here? I told you it's entered here at the oversold area, but it hasn't become red like here. Yes, it's showing here a little bit of redness, but not that much. It needs to fall down more. I think it needs to fall down till here, till that zone here, here, to indicating for you also we are going to go higher. But till now there is nothing. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple and easy. There is one video here in the channel, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. In the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator. Go and download the source code and install it in your trading view. Even in that video we show you how to install it. Everything is too clear. And another thing here, I want to show it to you. The fair and great index, guys. What that one we said about it. For the people that been following us for some time, we said we got here a level between 60 and 45 like that, and we got a level down here between 20 and 5 like that. When it's being touched, it's being touched here in that zone. It's being touched in 30 of August. Till now it doesn't go back to it. Also today we are 24 in the fair and great index, and that's what I told you before. I told you, look at here what happened here. He's staying here sometime ranging like that. Then after that he went till 5. So the same thing here is going to happen. It's going to stay here ranging. Then it's going to fall down more. So make a close eye at those things. I'm telling you now, everything is too clear here at the fair and great index. And here I tell it to you before. I tell you have here a trend line like that. As you see it, it's being touched here and here and here. So I think now we are going to head for another crash till 5 or something or 8. So make a close eye at those things, man. I'm telling you, everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what 4 hours telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, the things me I'm telling you is very clear here. As you see it, here it give you here a flag. Here it give you a triangle like that. And now over here, it's going to give you something, a pattern or something like that. So make a close eye at it. Till now the Bitcoin, guys, it's still in falling down. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. Yes, today there is big spikes of the volume, but the volume, it doesn't reach to that red one. Push away down that one. So I think small correction like how it's happening here. But now also we're still in a downtrend, in a big downtrend. There is no buying yet. Make a close eye at those things, me I'm telling you. And here the market, it gave us, let me show you in my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, what the market gave us here, it gave us here a small down channel. As you see it, every time he touch it, he go up, but also we're still in the lower of that big channel. As you see it, guys, also we're still here in the lower of that small bigger channel, as you see it. And here down we got a big channel. It's being touched the top of it here and the lower of it here. That bigger channel, the view is going to touch it when it's going to reach to 10k. By the way, that the targets me I got the first target here at 17k. Second target here at 12k, and I think from 12k 867 we are going to go upward. Till now also we're still in a big falling, guys. There is nothing new. Everything is too clear here. Let's go into see our indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, and if you remember, also we used to have here a divergence like that, and I tell you it's going to come down to touch it, but till now it hasn't touched it. If it only from here went up, it's going to be good, very good scenario, but I don't think so. Me, I think personally, it's going to fall down to touch the trend line of the divergence here. Then after that, it's going to go upward. But here in the top, we got that big trend, that one. So make a close eye at those things. And here, if you remember, also we used to have here that triangle like that, or a wedge. And here when it's being broken, that man also is still headed now for another crash. Everything is too clear. There is nothing hard. And here, that one in the top, that one is a trend line. Also, we draw it together. And that one here, the down one, is a trend line. We draw it when the divergence happening here before. Now I think also we are going to head more to touch at least the trend line of the divergence. Then after that we are going to go higher, but till now there is nothing confirmed. Also we're still in a big falling down, guys. So there is no buying yet. Make a close eye at those things. It's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, what me I told you before, when it's enter here at the oversold all that time from here till down here, I told you it need to give you here a price action in the chart of Bitcoin, indicating that the market is going to reverse. All that time it doesn't give you any price action, indicating there it's going to break up every time he give you bearish patterns. So the market is going to fall down more. Now we got one option. We are going to wait until the Fed Chair Powell come to speak. I think it's tomorrow. Then next week there is the interest rate. So make a close eye at those things. What the market going to do. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see what 30 minutes telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders. By the way, before we go into explain here in 30 minutes, are you subscriber in our channel or not yet? If you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And if you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button and tell us what your opinion about the Bitcoin, guys. Everything is too clear. You done it? Let's continue it here. Here in the 30 minute, guys, what you see in here. Here in that zone. Here, like that, and like that. And like that. Here in 30 minutes, it give you here like a head and shoulder as you see it. And here in that zone, it's breaking for you the neck line. Now, where is the Bitcoin is going to go? You came here, down here, you calculating from here to here. It's going to go till here, at least till here, or it's going to go to touch the 200 moving average again. Then after that, it's going to fall down, or it's going to go till here, till the lower of those candles here. It's the same thing. It's going to go to touch for you the 200 moving average, my friend. Everything in front of you. Also, we explain to you how to day trade and scalp the Bitcoin. I'm talking here about day traders and scalpers of the Bitcoin. If you are a swing trader and positional trader, forget about that. You stick above 4 hours. For day traders and scalpers, there is an opportunity for you to buy. And let me to show you in our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. In our indicator, as you see it, what else we said before? We said it's need here that one to become at the oversold area. You need to have a price action in the chart indicating you are going to go up, and the chart thing you need to be in a very stronger level, and that level where you are is very stronger, guys. I think now we are going to go till the overbought area, then after that it's going to fall down, and I told you how to get that indicator, so go get it and start trading by yourself, day trader. And here when it's going to give you at the overbought area, there is a very big chance it's going to fall down, so you can even benefiting from buying and selling. Everything is too clear here. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, my friend.